screw in the center just a little bit. Or a cleco right there on both sides. Actually, I can do it with a vice grip for now. Go get 2 small vice grips.
Clap it where you want it.
Yeah.
Then mark this bottom, cut all this crap out.
Yeah. But we need to see where this is, because right now, look where this is.
Let me take my cruise.
You wish. We may have to go forward with it. We need to get these 2 panels, or at least this one. Or we gotta extend this so it tilts right here. And we'll flip the steering wheel backwards. Yeah, that is the cruise.
Yes, damn it! Somebody got it. Hey, Petey! Is my crew still out there?
We'll pull all this down. Pull all that in. Might change, might just cut the outside. Well, that's where the screw is, I think. It's right there. Let's see where the wheels are too. Make sure all that fits. Should be alright right there.
Pretty much done. I like it.
I'm wiring it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Get this thing wired and we'll give it back to Gary.
Yep.
But I think I have to laminate it under there. So you might have to build your cage and put it in 2 or 3 pieces. Because if you look under there, how I have to laminate it, there's no way I can laminate it and then put that brace under it and laminate it. See, I mean, I've got to laminate that tiny little piece right there and bond it. That's where most of my strength is going to be for this piece.
But how are you going to laminate to that when this thing has to snap into place? You're going to have to cut out those holes?
No. Just the edge.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm saying. That's all I've got. That tiny little strip.
Okay.
That's what I've got. So I have to do it in there. So I can't bring it down like I thought I was going to be able to. Because I'd have to cut it out all the way out here.
You're
and then
good.
make it
You're
bigger.
good because I can still attach to this, and
Right.
then I can run tubing across the bottom edge of this.
Right. Just a little bit, right?
Yep. I can run my tubing across here, attach to this, and then go forward. It'll tie into this, and then go straight down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna have this out
Actually, you
of
can
there.
cut this whole side,
Yeah,
leave this
the
side
half
here.
side. Okay,
That way I
that's
can
right.
bolt. I can bolt that whole
Yep.
boomerang shaped piece up there, the support.
Yep. That's what I was thinking. Just cut half of it off.
Okay. Glass it in. Let's
So
do
we've
it.
got those, and we can do it. I can do it now.
Do it, and then I'll.
And this is the good one, and this is my copy one.
Look at this guy go. It's gonna have to be at least 4 or 5 inches wide, because you know it's gonna have a mechanism that it's gonna swing off from.
It's inside. It's pretty small.
So it's just that little plate, so it doesn't have to be that big, but
Just do a hole in the floor, drop it in. We have to.
so it might just be a little wider than this, huh?
Or a lot wider.
A lot wider.
We'll have to make it look narrower, but we have to figure out how to make that.
Use the ashtray, all the stuff. There's the picture of one that's has a custom console somebody did of liquid shifters. Has like an upholstered, totally different console.
Yeah, a big transmission, huh? Because that belly's pretty big there.
Well, remember these cars, you could put a big block in.
That's right. Big.
Yeah, so they had a lot more. It has
So
a lot more nose.
we don't need
and it had
this.
put bigger center tunnel in. Interesting. Well, we need to get the shifter here probably prior to
First,
us
right?
doing anything.
Yeah.
Yep.
No sense in
that
doing it
mounted,
twice.
That
Yeah.
chip build around it. Instead of us trying to build around chip.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I'll make you connect with this sucker. Something to hold it together temporarily. Can't run like a gas strutter. Things gonna push on the hood all the time.
Yeah.
You know what happens in that.
So does it hit? Or are we good?
Yep, it's a big hit.
Fantastic.
A big hit. Okay. We'll check. What else do I need to order?
This your shifter you're waiting for now, right? You already got it.
Yep, it's in the mail.
Okay.
It's gonna be here Monday,
Okay.
according to UPS.
Good.
All this has to be cut out. Nothing is usable. Okay.
How bad is it, Petey? That's it?
Kind of. I think pretty much all the stuff you have to remake. Floor's gonna be up here somewhere. Come off this.
That's all right. That would match
This-
then, right? It
this-
wouldn't be a step.
Yeah, the shifter hits in here, so we gotta.
Come
the
out.
shift arm hits, yeah.
Is it a cable or a rod?
It's a rod. Got the rod.
And that's set up for 4 speeds?
Yep. It's pretty much just this. The arm's over here somewhere. Just a rod right up to it. Simple. But I guess all this is gonna go away. You have to.
How close is our line going to be matching that other one?
Just have to open it up and make a sheet metal a form.
Let's go just kind of see what. As long as these stay parallel, we'll cut our tunnel back, huh? Can we go that far in, you think, or no?
That might work if it's kind of like that. Just have to clear the arm.
So we just want to figure out how far forward you want to go. We don't want to encroach
How far
on
down is it gonna go?
It's pretty much going to sit right in here. Below.
Okay.
So we just kind of want to figure out what kind of a angle. If you want to just come off this, just come out a couple inches.
And how much of this we can
We have a
lose?
lot. Thinking about taking this, and of course making
From
this.
From here, we could make it out of aluminum even. Make that upholstered.
What if we have this as the floor height?
Yeah, but
Continue your
from
center
there,
console.
and then I'm thinking this could actually come up a bit. What I think we need to do is just get rid of everything that we don't need here. This can come out, and we can cut this floor. Because it looks like the transmission's not that big here, right?
Right.
Yeah, we
Very
can,
small.
we can pull all that floor in quite a ways.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do that.
You see in there? We just got the training cooler lens on this side.
See any lines in there yet?
And on that side, we just have the shift lever.
Mm-hmm.
Quite a bit of it will come out, huh?
Yeah.
Well, those lines are way up there. They're way up in here. So you can mark whatever you want.
I would take this out. For right now, come all the way up to here. Take that up to about here. Same on this side. Julio. Very good.
actually gonna be pretty close because of upholstery too, I think. That those are gonna get upholstered and then body color. Even the fit from the glass looks good over there too.
Where you guys going?
We're dashing out of here.